Welcome to my school. Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm very happy to see you and also to teach you English grammar. Today is the first time that I'm going to teach you about English grammar. The first thing I teach you is verb to be. There are many ways that we can use verb to be with others. The first one, verb to be used with occupation. For example, my father is a policeman. Second, verb to be used with adjective. Example, Mr. John is very handsome. Third, verb to be used with preposition. For example, my school is behind the bank. Fourth, verb to be used with present participle. For example, our village is having a good time. The fifth, be used with past participle. For example, her dog was killed last night. These are examples of verb to be. So everyone, you have to remember this. This is very important for you to write a sentence. Yes, thank you very much for your watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.